Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here at Timberland Highland Resort here in San Mateo, Rizal. So the question is, gaano kaganda or how beautiful is the Manila area during the night and watching from the Timberland Highland Resort. So ipapakita po namin sa inyo since na nakapag-stay po kami dito overnight dito sa may Timberland Heights kasi part po ito ng anniversary namin. So hindi na po kami lumayo at dito na lang sa may San Mateo to celebrate the anniversary. So yan, on the way na po kami niyan na papuntang dining area nila. So yan, yung overview ng Manila area, especially the Pasig, Makati, and yung mga Karatig City na makikita po ninyo during the night. So ang ganda talaga yung overview niya, especially during the night, the glittering lights of the city metro view from the Timberland Heights during the night. So yan ay bali umorder na lang po kami diyan ng pagkain at bali a la carte siya during the night. At yan po yung sineserve nilang pagkain. So yung order po namin dyan ay yung gulay, which is yung Chinese pechay or yung pochoy, at yung manok, bali grilled po yan, at saka may kasama siyang atsara, at saka at the same time yung rice with garlic. So yan po yung in order natin, at talagang na-enjoy namin yung pagkain diyan sa my Timberland Highland Resort. So sa mga nagpaplano dyan na mag holiday getaway or weekend getaway, malapit lang po ito dito sa may Timberland Highland Resort, at mayroon po silang breakfast which is buffet. Lunch po nila ay a la carte, at saka yung dinner, at nagsaserve po sila dyan ng Indian cuisine at saka iba't ibang cuisine. Ay na-timing lang po kami na wala po yung Indian cuisine during stay namin, kaya ang in-order namin ay a la carte na lang. So sa mga nagbabalak po dyan, pasyalan po ninyo itong Timberland Highland Resort here in San Mateo, Rizal.